Looking for a replacement door mirror that fits your vehicle like it was made for it? This mirror is designed to match the exact year, make, and model of your car, truck, or SUV, giving you a perfect fit without the hassle or high cost of dealership parts. I've seen plenty of replacement mirrors that don't quite line up or feel cheap. But this one stands out because it's a complete assembly, including the mirror glass, housing, bracket, and the same technology that came on your vehicle originally. That means no guessing if it'll work or look right, it simply does. Installation couldn't be easier. You won't need special tools or extra trips to the mechanic. Just swap out your old mirror with this one, and you're done. Plus, it's much more affordable than buying from the dealership or original manufacturer, saving you money without sacrificing quality. To make sure this mirror fits your exact vehicle, just enter your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool before ordering. This quick step guarantees you get the right part the first time, avoiding any returns or delays. If you want a reliable, cost-effective replacement that looks and works just like the original, this door mirror is worth a look. It's already earned top reviews for easy installation and great value. Try it when you're ready, and get your vehicle looking and functioning like new again.